little brother George. This is Mummy Pig. And this is Daddy Pig. Peppa Pig.
Peppa and her family are having breakfast.
What's the matter, Daddy Pig?
I need to go on a long journey for work.
Can we come too?
It's work, Peppa, and it's a long, long way by train.
Choo-choo! Please, can we go?
It won't be fun. I'm
Testing concrete. I need to know the relative density to mass to calculate for voids in the aggregate.
I need to know that too.
What does Mummy Pig think?
I think it sounds lovely.
But it's hundreds of miles away, in another country.
Please, Daddy Pig.
All right. We can all go.
Hooray!
This is the train station.
Full steam ahead! No, Peppa. It's a long journey, so you just have to be patient. Why not sing a song to pass the time?
Okay.
I put my armor on, show you how strong I am. I put my armor on.
I've sung a song. Now are we nearly there?
Oh, there's still a long way to go, Peppa.
We won't get there until tomorrow morning.
But what about bedtime? Where will we sleep?
Right here.
But this isn't a bedroom, Daddy.
What's this?
Magic beds!
And here's where we brush our teeth.
I wonder what this button is for.
Daddy has found the magic shower!
Hello, passports, please. Of course. Ah, you are Mr. Pig? The Mr. Pig. You must be coming to test our concrete. Yes. Do you know me? Oh, your work in concrete is famous in our country. Oh, but I have to start you. Good night. Good night.
Night-night, Peppa and George.
Night-night, my little piggies.
Night-night!
I put my armor on, show you how strong I am.
Time for breakfast on the train.
Good morning.
Miss Rabbit, aren't you meant to be driving the train?
It's fine.
Would you like coffee or orange juice?
I'd like both, please.
No! Coffee or orange juice! You can't have both!
I don't think we have to be so strict with the famous Mr. Pig. Coffee and orange juice.
Thank you.
Excuse me, I am King Alfonso. Could I have a coffee and orange juice too?
No, that is impossible. We are honored to have your visit, Mr. Pig.
Thank you.
Here is the concrete for you to test.
Daddy Pig He's an expert at concrete.
Very good.
I hope the trying journey wasn't too long and tiring.
No, it was lovely.
What do we do now?
My job is done, so we can take the train back home.
Oh, goody. We get to sleep on the train again.
Everyone loves long train journeys.
The train is on the track. Huff and puff, clickety clickety.